Let's begin with the loan application process. The loan application process starts with the borrower submitting an application. The application encompasses information about the borrower, including demographics such as age and marital status, financial situation such as income, employment, and debt, and any other details the lender deems necessary. A credit score is generated by analyzing information provided by the borrower, including their credit history and other relevant details. The lender uses the credit score to decide whether to approve the loan and what interest rate to offer. Consequently, the loan application will either be approved or rejected. This lecture is part of my new Udemy course. To access the entire course for free, use the link provided. Please note, this offer is limited to the first 100 students. Use the coupon code SCORING100 or click the link in the description. If this code isn't valid anymore, you'll find an updated code in the video description. In this final slide of the section, I would like to acknowledge the source of the visual elements I use in this course. All vector illustrations were downloaded freely from FreePic, a popular image bank website.